Step inside a world of extreme efficiency, where traditional farming meets the pinnacle of modern industrial food technology.
Precision is everything in this facility, as every single degree of temperature is monitored by advanced computers.
This incredible operation houses thousands of specimens in a highly regulated environment designed for optimal growth and health.
Automated systems manage the nutritional needs of every inhabitant, ensuring consistent quality across the entire production line. Experience the future of specialized agriculture by hitting the subscribe button to see more unique industrial processes. Quality control starts at the microscopic level, where experts ensure the highest safety standards for the consumers.
Every piece of equipment undergoes rigorous sterilization to maintain a germ-free environment within this specialized food facility.
Logistics are handled with surgical precision to minimize stress and maximize the overall efficiency of the harvest. Demand for unique high-protein delicacies is rising globally, making this high-tech factory a vital player in exports. Human expertise and advanced robotics work in perfect harmony to execute a process few have ever seen. Sharpness and precision are mandatory for the intricate task of preparing this rare and valuable meat product. Sustainability is built into the core design of this modern factory through advanced water reclamation and recycling. Every fillet is scanned and graded by lasers to ensure that only the best portions move forward. Speed is of the essence to preserve freshness, as these premium products are prepared for immediate shipment.
The final result is a culinary experience that is prized for its unique texture and lean protein.
Scientifically, this meat is recognized for being extremely lean and rich in essential vitamins and healthy minerals.
Powering this massive operation requires immense energy, which is partially supplied by an extensive rooftop solar array.
Zero waste is the goal, as byproducts are processed into valuable ingredients for the global pharmaceutical industry. Engineering brilliance keeps the factory moving 24 hours a day without any significant downtime or technical delays.
High security is essential to protect the proprietary technology and the specialized biological assets within this facility.
Scientific breeding programs ensure the long-term viability and health of the population through very careful genetic management. The skins are a valuable resource utilized in the fashion industry for high-end luxury goods and accessories. Cold chain management is strictly enforced to guarantee that the meat reaches its destination in perfect condition.
While new to many, this traditional food source has been a staple in several global cultures for
every detail.
Cleanliness is a top priority, with automated systems performing deep sanitization of the entire floor every day. From snacks to gourmet ingredients, and the factory produces a wide variety of products for a diverse market.
Continuous improvement in technology allows this facility to meet the growing global demand for sustainable protein sources. Products are shipped across borders daily, reaching plates in Europe, Asia, and the Americas in record time. Understanding the biology of these creatures is the foundation of the incredible process you are witnessing today. Thermal imaging allows for constant health monitoring without disturbing the inhabitants during their crucial growth cycles here. Artificial intelligence is utilized to categorize every cut, ensuring that premium portions are directed to high-end markets.
Even the bones are utilized, being ground into high-quality fertilizers that support the local farming communities nearby.
Strict protocols prevent contamination between different zones of the factory, ensuring total safety for the biological stock.
Science plays a critical role in selecting the healthiest traits for the next generation of production animals.
Life begins in the incubation room, where thousands of eggs are carefully monitored until they are hatched.
Growth rates are tracked from day one to ensure that every individual is thriving in the facility.
Maintaining a clean and healthy environment is the primary duty of the staff working in this area.
The diet is scientifically formulated to provide all the essential nutrients for rapid and healthy muscle development.
Automation speeds up the final packaging process, allowing the factory to handle massive volumes of finished products. Sensory testing ensures that the flavor and texture of the product meet the expectations of gourmet chefs. Large-scale exports are handled through major seaports, connecting the factory to international markets in every continent. Geothermal energy is used to maintain constant temperatures, significantly reducing the facility's carbon footprint and energy costs. Each skin is inspected by hand to ensure it meets the strict standards of the luxury fashion.
Robotic precision minimizes waste and ensures that every gram of usable meat is recovered for the market.
Education is continuous as the factory implements the latest findings in biological science and industrial safety protocols.
Constant microbiological testing is the backbone of the factory's commitment to producing a safe food product daily.
The supply chain is carefully managed to ensure that only the highest quality raw ingredients are used. Organic waste is converted into biogas, providing a clean energy source that helps power the entire factory.
This is the pinnacle of modern food production, where science and industry create a new future today. Specialized robotics are designed to handle fragile biological assets with a level of care that humans cannot. Computational fluid dynamics are used to optimize ventilation, ensuring fresh air reaches every single habitat in the
The tanning process uses biodegradable chemicals to produce high-quality leather without harming the local environment or water.
Augmented reality assists technicians in identifying and fixing mechanical issues before they can cause a production delay.
Presenting the product as a high-end culinary choice is essential for its success in new global markets.
Consistency in nutrition is guaranteed by high-capacity mixer. The innovation continues as researchers find new ways to extract medicinal compounds from every part of the specimen. Efficiency in the cold storage area ensures that products are always ready for rapid loading and transport. From a single room, the entire factory can be managed, ensuring that every department is working perfectly.
Life support systems are fully automated to respond instantly to any change in the air quality levels.
High-value secondary products like leather provide an additional revenue stream that supports the factory's advanced technology.
Spot checks verify the accuracy of the automated systems, ensuring that there are no blind spots here.
Monitoring for any potential pathogens is a continuous process that guarantees the health of the entire stock.
The finishing process adds the final touch of luxury to a byproduct that is highly sought after. Commitment to the environment means constantly searching for more sustainable and eco-friendly packaging solutions for the future. Preventative maintenance is the key to preventing any failures in the critical cold chain storage systems today.
Modern tracking technology allows the factory to monitor every shipment from the dock to the final customer.
Foam cleaning technology penetrates every corner of the machinery, ensuring the highest level of industrial food sanitation. Every premium product comes with a digital certificate that tracks its entire journey from the habitat today. Supporting sustainable transportation for employees is part of the factory's overall green and environmentally conscious philosophy. Flash freezing preserves the cell structure of the meat, maintaining its original texture and high-quality flavor profile.
Analytical chemistry ensures that the protein content of every batch remains consistent with the factory's high standards.
Robotic palletizing reduces the risk of injury to workers and speeds up the entire shipping process significantly.
Fresh produce for employees is grown on-site using recycled water and nutrients from the factory's biological byproducts.
HEPA filtration ensures that the air within the processing zones is free from any airborne contaminants.
Detailed documentation is mandatory for international trade, ensuring that all customs and health regulations are fully met. A powerful data center is the brain of the factory, managing millions of data points every hour.
Innovative research is turning biological waste into biodegradable plastics for use in the factory's own packaging line.
Even the smallest amount of dust is removed to maintain the pristine environment required for high-quality production. Precision dosing ensures that every individual receives the exact amount of nutrients required for their specific stage, the amount of nutrients.
Thermal imaging identifies any leaks in the cold storage insulation, allowing for immediate repairs and energy savings.
Humans and robots interact safely on the logistics floor thanks to advanced sensors and real-time coordination systems.
Automation allows for incredible speeds in the final stages of production without sacrificing accuracy or quality control. Regular audits ensure that every department is following the strict guidelines required for international food safety certification. The factory's energy independence is a model for modern industrial facilities looking to reduce their environmental impact. Scientific testing of the secondary products ensures that they meet the high-performance requirements of the luxury market. Cryogenic preservation of genetic material ensures that the factory can maintain its unique production stock for generations.
Humidity is precisely controlled to prevent the growth of mold or bacteria within the sterile processing zones.
Every component of the factory is inspected regularly to ensure that the entire system remains in peak.
Final chemical analysis of the product before shipping guarantees that it is free from any unwanted additives.
Security seals ensure the integrity of the product during its long journey from the factory to customer.
Understanding global market trends allows the factory to adjust production to meet the needs of future consumers.
Real-time control allows for immediate adjustments, ensuring that production targets are met without any loss of quality.
Handheld scanners verify every package against the shipping manifest, ensuring that no mistakes are made during dispatch.
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable industrial power. Sustainable materials science is turning waste into a resource, proving that modern industry can be truly circular.
Advanced wastewater treatment ensures that every drop of water leaving the factory is clean and totally safe. Successful shipment marks the end of a complex journey that begins with science and ends with culinary.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.